So hello everyone, this is our project Siddha Happyville. It's our landmark project by Siddha Group. Now you can see our clubhouse area. This is the grand entry of our clubhouse. This clubhouse is having 32,000 square feet of built up area. Entirely G+2 building is dedicated for this clubhouse space. And just beside the clubhouse you can see those towers. And this is the central garden area. You can see the space. It's beautifully decorated. So please come inside. So now we are entering to the clubhouse space. So you can see this is the double ceiling height entry. And just in front of you, this is the reception. So on the left side, we are starting. This is the entire staircase area. This is the lift space, and just behind the sales office, this is the cafeteria. It's yet to open. It's a big cafeteria. So on the right side, you can see this is the library and reading room area. From outside, you can see the library area. So come this side. So you can see this space. This is the changing area of the swimming pool, you can see. And this is the restroom area. It's currently under construction. And this is the dressing area, or you can see this as a changing room. These are the changing rooms, and just outside the door there is swimming pool area. So come this side. This is the swimming pool area. So you can see this is provision for baby pool, and this is the entire swimming pool area. And you can see the view of the clubhouse from here. Excellently designed. So let's see the swimming pool again. Big size swimming pool. So just in front of us, come this side. This is banquet number 1. Come this side. We are entering into the banquet area. This is the grand banquet hall of G+2 height. You can see the height of the banquet hall. And the grand entry of the banquet hall, you can see. The sound is resonating. Beautifully decorated and designed. And here you can also see this is the pantry area attached with the banquet hall. This is waiting place. Your friends and relatives can enjoy spare time in this area of Clubhouse. And in front of you, you can see this is the banquet number 2. Just come inside. This is banquet number 2. With the pantry space. And this is the grand staircases of the clubhouse. So in front of you, you can see this is the crèche area and kids room area. So come this side. You can see there is the library. And there is also toilet area, washroom. So you can see in front of you yoga and meditation room separately and a gym area. And this is the toddlers room, beautifully decorated toddlers room. And in front of you, you can see this is the mini theater.